Ever wondered how a Muslim's day unfolds? How does faith intertwine with daily routine to create a harmonious balance? Today, we delve into the heart of a day in a Muslim's life. As the first light of dawn breaks, the day commences. The Fajr prayer, the first of the 5 daily prayers, marks the beginning. It's a time of tranquility, a moment of reflection before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. After the prayer, it's time for a healthy breakfast. Nourishing the body is just as important as nourishing the soul. A meal that includes fresh fruits, whole grains, and protein not only sustains energy levels, but also keeps the mind sharp for the day ahead. Then comes the time for work, school, or other daily tasks. Muslims strive to excel in their chosen fields, believing that every honest work done with dedication is a form of worship. A pause in the middle of the day allows for the Du'a prayer. This prayer encourages a moment of reflection and gratitude amidst the demands of the day. The late afternoon sees the Asr prayer. It's a gentle reminder to take a break, to breathe, and to connect with the divine. As the sun starts to set, it's time for the Maghrib prayer. It's a moment to appreciate the beauty of the day's end, to reflect on the achievements of the day and to prepare for the evening. Dinner time provides an opportunity for family gatherings, sharing meals and stories, nurturing bonds. Before bed, many Muslims choose to read or recite passages from the Quran. It's a time for spiritual reflection, a peaceful end to a productive day. Remember, the essence of a productive day in a Muslim's life rests on the pillars of balance, dedication, and gratitude. It's about integrating faith into every aspect of life, from dawn to dusk and beyond. It's about striving for excellence in both worldly affairs and spiritual matters. It's about nurturing relationships, cultivating knowledge, and maintaining a healthy body. So next time you see the sunrise, think about this harmonious dance of faith and life. Think about the beauty of a day lived in balance, of a day lived with purpose, a day in a Muslim's life.